coming up on my bull. Oh my word. You just shot a beautiful buck, girl.
Over here, Eastern Oregon, archery elk hunting. Dad has the tag. I'm starting off my morning with mountain ops, of course. But yeah, I'm film crew today and this weekend. So I'm excited to get into some bulls.
Well, this is the first weekend out of 2024 Archery Elk season. Kate and I headed over the mountain last night, and this is our first morning getting ready to head out, so hopefully we can locate a bull here soon. Looking forward to just getting out together and checking some trail cameras and seeing what we can locate. Saw a couple herds last night, one pretty nice bull, so that kind of got us pumped up for this morning, but going to be a good season, and we're excited to get out there. Let's go.
Something that I always think is so crazy is that
There's Kate walking up to it. Nice bull. Good bull. Okay, update. This morning's been pretty good. We were on our way to check the first camera, but also start the beginning of our hunt, and did a few calls and had a bull bugle right away. And then he ended up coming actually all the way in. Probably it was about 100 yards from us at the most, and started tearing up a tree. I don't know if the wind swirled, but we couldn't get him to close the distance, and he bailed out, went back down where he came from. The wind was perfect at first, but I think it may have swirled. Anyway, a lot of fun for the first morning, and Kate got to hear a bull, and we came close.
It was a good morning. We had some action, but just couldn't close the distance on him, but had some action, and we're gonna head back to camp, get some lunch, and then we'll be back out. Hey guys, we are at a different location now. We decided after lunch to come to a different spot, and then that spot was taken, so we decided to come here. We have a big bull on a camera in here, so that's really exciting. But yeah, hopefully he'll make his appearance, or another bull will, but we are gonna sit here for the night, make it home for the evening. Nothing tonight. We had some action, had some bugles, but nothing wanted to come out and play, so
Yeah, pretty much.
headed back to camp for some dinner. Alright guys, it's day 2 here. We are about to head out, and hopefully we're gonna find a bull. Hoping I can be here when Dad gets a bull. So yeah, different day, same mountain ups. Let's go.
Alright, good morning. It's day number 2 on this weekend hunt with Kate. And we are hiking in the dark. We're just a little ways back in, but we're going to get back in there early, listen for some bugles, and try to see what we can locate. Hopefully get in on some bulls. Let's do it.
just don't want to jump him, so we're kind of taking our time getting to him. So
if we don't find him right here, we don't find him right here where we thought he might have went down, we're just gonna sit and give him an hour. So he's a pretty cool bull.
He's pretty funky from what we can tell. And by the way, Kate's spot. We heard him walking, coming in.
I'm the one that kept telling you I heard a bull down here.
Yeah, we heard him walk in, and then I saw his horns first come in, and then I saw his body. Yep, we heard him bugle earlier too. Alrighty guys, so Dad shot that bull. We're hoping he's down. We're on a pretty good blood trail, actually a really good blood trail. So we're giving him some time now. To the left of us, we think we heard him, but we're just gonna give him some time. We would have done that right at the beginning, but we wanted to see if we could get another arrow in him. But yeah, so now we're just gonna give him some time. But that was so cool. All I could see coming in at the beginning were his horns, and he was so close, so it was so cool. We're thinking he's like a 4-point from what we could tell, but like super narrow and like just a funky bull. So I'm excited to see him, and hopefully we can get him. So we're praying he's down. We listened back to the video and looked at it, and I think Dad made a really good shot. So yeah, but super cool experience nonetheless. It was pretty cool to see him that close, and yeah, come on in from Dad's bugles, and we heard him bugle this morning, and so just a cool experience. So we have one thing to talk about here. Dad basically wouldn't have gotten a chance at this bull if I did not have this guy right here. So Logan and I have this conspiracy that when you have purple Powerade, just things go in your favor. Like my bear, the first trip didn't have purple Powerade. Second trip, the trip I got my bear, this was in my pack. So, and yesterday I didn't have it in my pack. I threw it in this morning.
And boom.
True story. True story. That's all I'm saying. So,
Wild.
Take it from me.
Wild.
Take it from me. It's been fun. I think the biggest thing for me is adjusting from rifle to archery. That type of hunting, it's two totally different. So it's been an adjustment, but it's been fun. Hopefully we'll be doing it next year or the year after. So
yeah, which makes total sense.
Yeah.
And Kate has a bow. She's been shooting a little bit, but we need to get her dialed to where she could actually come out and chase bulls with a bow. I know she'll love it. Obviously, with the experience now,
Yes.
it's probably making her want to. But
yeah, it's been fun. I love seeing the animals up close and in their environment. It was so cool to have that bull looking at me. But yeah, it was crazy. It went back to feeding. We were being pretty dang quiet though, so
yeah.
Yeah.
Hopefully the next time we're on camera here, we are walking up to my bull. Texted me last night and said, I don't know why, but I got a feeling you're going to kill a bull on this short weekend. And we did.
We got her done.
So here we are. Pretty happy. I decided to take this bull because he was unique looking. Kind of reminded Kate and I of a reindeer. It's amazing though. He's like almost perfectly symmetrical 3x3. Heavy bases, no eye guards. Interesting. So anyway, we called him the reindeer. Pretty happy to take him. Blessed to put all this meat in the freezer. The best meat you can eat right here, all natural, and you know that's why we come out here. We do it for the great meat, for the opportunity that the Lord bless us with to hunt and do something we love, and it's just born into us to do this. So pretty excited about it. My first bull taken with Kate with me, so that's pretty exciting. Again, not a monster 6x6, but very unique, and so that's why I shot him. But really fun experience this morning calling him in and Kate being right behind me while I shot him. So we're pretty excited, and we got a lot of work to do to pack him up out of this canyon, but probably be at least 2 loads for the 2 of us, maybe 3, but we'll see. Anyway, I'm super happy, Kate, that you could come with me and come on this elk hunt before my main big hunt, actually. Now I'll focus on calling for the rest of the crew and maybe shooting a mule deer buck when I'm over here. So anyway, thanks, Kate. Love you.
Love you. Good work, Dad.
Yeah, nice. Let's
Boom.
start cutting her up, huh?
Here we go.
Okay, we are all loaded up. We've got quarters on our back.
Got September on our back.
Back over here. Where is it? Somewhere behind me here. Over there. We got the head and more meat hanging we'll come back for. But right now,
I think this is going to be my biggest pack out to date. I basically loaded it for first trip. Second trip, I'm going to have a way lighter pack out.
yeah.
It's gonna be my
And it's all
goal.
uphill to the truck. So let's
But
go get it done.
It's going to be good.
Thanks for your help.
Tell yourself you're always made for greater, because heaviest pack out to date. Heavy, but we're getting her done. Here we go. Dad. Trip number 2.
All right,
We got it
well,
all.
getting them out in 2 loads thanks to Kate being an animal packer. Here we go.
Headed out. Dad's coming. Say hi, Dad.
What's up?
We're getting her done. Getting her out of here. Alrighty, guys, we made it back to camp. So fun being here. We head back in the morning, and then Dad will be back over here to help his buddies hopefully have some success. Guys, we are headed back home. We got the bull in the back, and yeah.
Yeah, well, we got the head in the back.
Yes.
We just dropped it off at the cooler, so gonna probably actually have them process it and pick it back up when I come over and hunt with the guys in a week. So it'll be fun to get back over here. But man, Kate and I had a great short weekend trip, and had some pretty good action, and she got to be behind the camera while I killed a bull, so pretty fun.
Yep.
Now we're just heading home at a good time. Be nice to get home before work tomorrow. So anyway, it was a great trip, and I loved having Kate here.
It
Logan,
was
we missed you.